Let's see how to fix blurry picture on iPhone for free without any app or third-party application. So what you can do, you can just open that picture, okay, tap on it, okay. Now to fix the blurry picture, you have to just go to edit, find this option, edit, okay. And now one option is, if you tap on auto, it will automatically try to optimize the picture automatically and fix it blurriness. But if you're not satisfied, if you're satisfied, then it's okay, tap on done and you're good to go. But if you're not satisfied, try to swipe left until you see sharpness. Okay, here it is. So once you see the sharpness written over here, what you have to do, you have to just change the sharpness of the picture. Okay, just try to sharpen the picture. Okay, if let's say you are trying to sharpen the picture, you can see that it is getting more and more sharpened. In my case, the picture is not actually blurry, but if you have a blurry picture, this will actually affect it. Once you're satisfied with the sharpness, tap on done. Okay, and that's it. You have fixed the blurry pictures on iPhone for free. Thanks for watching. Please do like.